is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right now we are in the last moments of us being here at the condo. Ruby from Perfect Homes, she's going to be on the way. That's our realtor. We're going to be handing in the keys and things of that nature. So right now we're just doing last minute cleanings, trying to get everything situated, and then after this we'll be on our way to the Airbnb. So see you there. As you saw, we just left PP Condo. We were there for 3 months. That's where we signed our contract and our lease. So now we're here at our new condo where we're going to be for maybe about 2 to 3 weeks. So as you see right here, we have the door which you come through. Nice little cozy, little chilling area. And over here, we have a nice little study. Then the bedroom's right here. And then just back this way, we have the kitchen, the patio, and on the patio there is a washer and dryer. But if we want to, we can dry just with the air. That's the aircon system. And then just right this way, we have the restroom. Fridge is right this way as well. We've got the restroom there. And then here we got our fridge. Opens up. Right now it's empty, but we're gonna fill it up here in a minute. Gonna go by either Lotus or Big C. Gonna do a little grocery run. And this is our humble abode for the next few weeks. Alright guys, catch you later. What is up, guys? So today is Tuesday, and as you can see, we are just now leaving our Airbnb at D Condo Sign. So we're going to be heading to the train station now, where we're going to be catching our night train. At least
made it to the train station. Let me give you like a shot of what it looks like. We're right here sitting on the bench. So let me show you what it looks like. Babes went in there to go get a coffee, and they have a motorbike rental place right here too. But we just walked in. We're extra early because we had to check out of our Airbnb. But we're here. It doesn't leave till like 5. It doesn't leave till 5, and I think it's probably like 1 o'clock right now. So we're probably gonna chill here for a minute, and then maybe walk across the street. There's a 7-Eleven across the street. Also, if you do want some really good coffee, there is a coffee shop. As soon as you, from the rail station, if you pass down there towards that 7-Eleven, you'll see a coffee shop right on the right hand corner, right at the street. If you keep going, it's Nun's shop. So I'll try to do the link below so you guys can check her coffee shop out. But it's right down the street. It's really good. She got some really good brownies as well, so definitely check her out. Here come Babes right now. What happened?
nobody's in the shop.
Oh, okay.
Shop open, but ain't nobody trying to make no bucks.
So I guess we're not getting coffee right now. We are finally on the train. We've been outside sweating, waiting on our Grab to come because we ordered some Subway before we got on the train. But let me show you how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and step out. All right, so we got on from that way. So that's the way to come through here. It is really narrow, but this is our room. Here's the sink. You got a little mirror, you got a little air con, and then over to this side is the sleeper and the bed. You lift this up and you lift it. I can't put it because there's a lot of stuff right in here, but you lift it and then it sits up, and then there's the little mattresses and everything that you can put on the top of them. They got the pillows. We got a window, and then this is the private bathroom that I cannot open. I don't know how to open this bathroom. There we go. Oh, I thought I had it. No. Because this side is blocked. So okay, so yeah, we cannot get this bathroom door open. I don't know if we just can't have our own private bathroom or if we got to use the bathroom in the public, but we can't seem to get the bathroom door open. But this is the spot. This is where we're going to be for 10 hours. We stopped at Lamphun station, so we're leaving there now. I didn't know they make stops.
Yeah,
I didn't know they made them, but it's cool because then you can see like the different kind of stops that they make in the different neighborhoods and the different areas. So that was pretty dope.
And right now, guys, it looks like we're seeing the countryside, seeing a lot of beautiful Wats, which are the temples if you don't know. But guys, don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share the video. But we're gonna keep rolling along and checking out these great views. Good hour now.
It's a lady that walks by and she sells different kind of food. So we ended up getting sticky rice, and we got sausage
and chicken,
and then we had some fried chicken as well. We kind of devoured it.
It was good.
It was good. It was good. So we got that fried chicken, and it was like 100. We got 2 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of sausage, and 2 sticky rice, and it was like 140 baht. It was pretty good. All right, hey guys, it seems like we made another stop. I don't see anybody out here though to pick up, but it's like another stop that we made. I'm gonna try to get the sign, see if there's a sign that shows exactly where we are. But right now it's 6 o'clock, so we've been on the train for about an hour. It's been about an hour now, so let's see where we are.
Ta Chompu.
Ta Chompu? Like chop you. Like Babe said, we started back to moving. Oh, this is cool. Thai chop you. Thailand is gorgeous, y'all. If you guys ever get a chance to come out here, I would say do it. We didn't get a chance to do a lot of exploring. It was kind of hard to get around, especially if you don't have a scooter. But if we were able to just make it all the way out here and just find accommodations out here, that most definitely would have been a choice of ours. Because, I mean, it is gorgeous.
Yeah. Could have done a really cool homestay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gorgeous, y'all.
Nice little golf course out here.
My gosh, that is so pretty.
Alright guys, so as you can see, our beds are made. This is the top bunk, and this is the bottom bunk here. As you can see, we got some libations. And the gentleman that came, he was really cool. He knocked on the door and let us know that he was going to make the bed for us. He also let us know that tomorrow at 5 a.m. He's going to come back and he's going to knock the door. And then he's going to tear everything back down, and then we'll have it back into like a little cedar. So this actually folds down here, and this is the back, and then the bottom is the bottom seat there. So our beds are now made, and we're gonna watch some Netflix here.
The Colony.
Colony, guys.
Yep, it's been pretty good so far. It's been pretty good so far. The Colony. I think we're on season 2, episode 3. So.
Alright guys, we're gonna get into the Colony and catch you later.
Alright guys, it looks like we made a 3rd stop. Not for sure which station that we're at. I don't know if you guys can read it, but we've stopped. Look at the little soy dogs. I may not be able to catch all the stops because we probably about to get a little bit of rest here, but this is the 3rd one, which is cool. And we are moving on. Like I said, something like Kuntan. I am so blind. Yeah, I think it's a Kuntan station. Look at how beautiful Thailand is. I mean, just jeez Louise. all the sweating and coming through. I'm gonna show you guys because it's crazy like to try to get up in here, but we are finally in our hotel and it is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a tour. So this is the front door here. All right, so I'm actually have my back to the front door. We have not been through the whole thing yet. You guys are getting like the first look along with us. So yeah, over this side they have a little, it's like a mirror here. Here's babes. There's a place where you can put your stuff there. That's where we got our stuff there for now. We got a fan. There's a toilet like right behind the door. There's a toilet here. And here's like the kitchen area.
That see-through floor.
So they have all of that, you know, stuff, the sink, stuff where you can make coffee. They have all of that. There's a refrigerator. But yeah, I like the see-through floors. I know y'all seen that. I like the see-through floors. That's so cool. All right, so through these doors, here is the shower. It's like an outside inside shower because you can still feel the breeze and you can see the outside here. And then you can see it up here as well. And then there's the shower head. So here's the shower. Looks like they did provide like some shampoo. There's some shower gel. There's a ladder. I don't know what that's for, but this is crazy dope so far. All right, so now together, Chris is already up there. I'm gonna take you upstairs. Got some nice decor. Got the key. And these are the stairs. So let's go up here. Ooh, hang on to this rail. All right, and this is the upstairs. So you're walking along. They got the jungle out here. Babs, where you at? Oh, shoot. Okay, there's a mirror, another mirror here. But then you gotta push this. Cause I was like, wait a minute, how do I get in here? Cause I see the bed. I see the bed. Okay, let me stop tripping. Okay, so you push the mirror, looking all camouflage. And oh goodness. Make sure you hold on to that door. Okay, here's the bed. So nice. It's like on a little platform where you have to step up. They got the ants up on the wall. The aircon is blowing real nice too. I guess that's like a little seat that you can sit on. And they have a little table over here. She did tell us that whatever we need, give her a call. The table, the mirror, there's a nice little decor. All right, and we're not done. We're not done. Okay, so we're gonna go out here. Oh, and it does look like you can let these up and down as well. All right, so we're gonna go out. Here's like a little patio. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a personal patio. Got a seating here, and you're pretty much like in a jungle looking area. This is crazy. All right, we're not done. Because what we're gonna do is go up some more stairs. So let's do it. Look at this one. Look
This
at
is so dope, y'all.
Look at this one right here.
Tanning bed.
Oh, that's how it is, like a little tanning bed.
But I think it blows up as a tent though, y'all. If y'all have ever seen one of these before, let us know down in the comments.
Right, because we're gonna look at it like, what is going on? But yeah, we have our own little personal rooftop style sun deck, yeah, pretty much.
This is cool.
And here's the view from up here. Oh look, that one would have been cool too, because that's taller, a little taller than us, and it's closer to the river. But this is our view. You see someone else, another one, and there another one. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the river over there.
Welcome to Bangkok.
I know, right?